Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to